Welcome to HROnboardMastery. We continue our quest to unlock potential in new hires. In this video, we are deciphering the secrets of remote onboarding, specifically. Strap right in. We now know that a poorly thought-out onboarding process can lead to confusion, disengagement, and early new hire turnover. But when done right, it seamlessly integrates employees, boosts morale, and sets them up for long-term success. Therefore, seamless integration strategies, SIS, need to be adopted into a structured onboarding plan ensures that new employees feel welcomed, informed, and engaged. Let's explore these strategies. One. Pre-boarding matters. Before day one, send new hires a welcome email with a video and a clear roadmap. Sarah, a marketing manager, shared how receiving a checklist made her feel prepared before her first day. Two. Structured onboarding schedule. For example, Google's remote onboarding process ensures new hires meet key team members daily, reducing feelings of isolation. Mapping out the first week with scheduled meetings, training sessions, and casual meet and greets makes a difference. Three. Assign a buddy. At Zapier, every new hire is paired with a mentor to help them navigate. Buddy system provides a go-to person for any questions and helps new hires integrate smoothly. Remote onboarding needs more than just video calls and email exchanges. Engagement is key to ensuring employees feel connected and valued. Virtual engagement techniques and digital tools will need to be deployed. Effective use of video. At Slack, leadership sends personalized welcome videos to introduce new hires to the company culture. A short, informal clip from the exco or management team can create a sense of belonging. Interactive onboarding portals. Companies like Shopify use Notion-based portals to centralize training materials, policies, and FAQs. Having a structured, easy-to-navigate resource hub prevents information overload. Gamify the process. A startup company created a company trivia challenge that turned onboarding into an interactive experience. Mini challenges or quizzes related to company values and workflows make learning fun and memorable. Creating open channels, hosting weekly check-ins, and fostering an "Ask Me Anything" culture ensures employees feel supported. Set clear goals and expectations. One of the biggest frustrations for remote employees is uncertainty. Defining key milestones helps new hires stay on track and feel a sense of accomplishment. Remote onboarding. Challenges even with the best strategies is also not without obstacles. Time zones, communication barriers, and lack of face-to-face interaction can create friction. To overcome them, time zone awareness. A global tech firm uses World Time Buddy to schedule meetings fairly. When live meetings aren't possible, providing recorded versions ensures inclusivity. Bridging communication gaps. Text-based conversations can lack tone and context, leading to misunderstandings. A remote manager encourages the use of voice notes or short video updates to clarify messages quickly. Creating virtual watercooler moments. A design agency hosts monthly show and tell sessions where employees share personal projects or wins. In summary, a well-executed remote onboarding process builds stronger teams, increases retention, and ensures that employees feel engaged from the start. By integrating structured preboarding, leveraging digital tools, and addressing common challenges, companies can create an effective and enjoyable onboarding experience. Thank you for tuning in. Want more insights? Download our free ebook at HR Onboard Mastery. Subscribe for more expert tips.